My dear teachers, welcome to the second utility for creating simulation e-content. For that we are going to see the website called PET, Physics Educational Technology. So if you type PHET, so you can see a variety of websites. So in that one website called pet.colorado.edu. So this website not only for physics stream, it can be used for all the science, arts, life science streams. So you can see the home page of this website. So you can see the list of categories. You can see the simulation content material for biology, chemistry, earth science, mathematics, or you can select the materials by the grade level. For example, 10th standard, 11th grade or 12th grade or higher education for informal education, or you can select by device, or you can select all simulations. So it is a translate simulations. You can use the already simulated materials by others also, and you can see the teaching tips for using the PET and how to share, and the workshop conducted by this PET. So now you have to see or explore this possibility. I am going to take one physics, and after that we can take one earth science for our demo. So I am selecting the physics. So now you can see what are the simulations are available. For example, you can see the balancing act or band structure. It is not only for the basic science. For example, you may think that it is only help for the school teachers. It is not true. So you can use for college or research purpose also. You can use this simulation from the basic concept to the advanced concept. You can learn by using this simulation. For example, you can see the capacitor lab. If you click this capacitor lab, you can see the simulation. Either you can download by your own, or you can explain in the browser itself, or while doing in the internet itself, or you can embed this particular simulation with your website. Now I am going to download it. So automatically this will download here. For example, you can see that download starts here. So that during the offline time also I can use and I can explain the concept. For simplicity, let it download it, and I am going to take the simple balancing act here. Now you can use it. Now it is getting loaded. Once it is loaded, for example, there are three. One is intro, and another one is balancing act, and another one is game. I am going to use the intro. Now you can see the simulation. What are the components available? This is the basic concept for physics, learning physics, and you can see the mass labels. If you pick it, you can see, for example, this is 5 kg, this is 5 kg, this is 10 kg, and force from objects you can tick, and level also, and here the position. We can either use rulers or you can use marks. For example, I am using marks instead of ruler. For example, if I am balance in the place of 8, so automatically what will happen? So this is a thing you can. So here I am balancing here, and here I will change it. So after removing it, this is normal position. Suppose if you take the stand, what will happen? So after that I will change this to 8th place. Actually it will balance. So like that, the simulation can be used for explaining the basic concept to the advanced concept to the students. While seeing this, the students will be able to understand easily, and we can create the interest among the students. Now I am making one demo. If I am placing this into the fifth place, automatically what will happen? If I take this 1 to here, the seventh one, what will happen? In the left hand side 10 kg and the right hand side also 10 kg, but the place where I am fixing is different. For example, if I am placing here in the fifth place, okay, according to, so whether it is balanced? No. So again, if I am placing it in the fourth place, what is the balance? So like that I can change where it is changed over here, so where I go to place here, and if I place the seventh place, so it will it balance. So like that we can change without the labels, we go to mark it. So this is the way. So after that we can change and we can explain to the explain the concept to the students. And I am taking another example. So I am taking physics. Like that I can take and chemistry. So chemistry you can see. So how can we build an atom? So I am using this one. So either I can download or I can play it here. So I can download means doing the offline. That means without internet I can demonstrate and I explain. So here I am, for our demo purpose, I am using this online mode instead of downloading. Now you can see the atom and the symbol and the game. So these are the things available. You can use the atom and you can see the protons, neutrons, electrons. So here is the table, element table, and for example mass number, we can here net charge. What is the net charge? Here you can see the orbit or clouds. So I am using orbit. For example, I am taking a neutron here 1 and proton 1. What is mean by it is hydrogen and plus ion, and here plus 1 is there, and what is the mass number 2. If I am using electron, so it is neutral atom, and what is the mass number 2. Here what is the net charge? It is 0, and what is the element? H. So before, if I take here what is plus, the symbol is plus. If I take, it is neutral. If I put another electron here, so it is ion, the same element. For example, if I am using another element, so like that I can add. So I can change. So suppose if I change proton into 2 and neutron 2, it is helium, so minus also. So I can change it, take it, and I can add. So it is a neutral atom. Here the mass number is 4. If I add proton 1, 5, and electron 1, it is lithium. The mass number is 5. If I add neutron 1, so the mass number is 6, the same lithium. So like that I can demonstrate the simple concept of atom to the students in an interactive, simulative way by adding our own explanation to the existing simulation. So this way we can teach the students from the simulation. I can select by grade level. As you already I mentioned, you cannot use this for basic level. For elementary level also you can use, middle level or high school or university level also. What are the concept available, we can search and we can use it our purpose. For example, you can see the density here, diffusion and electric field hockey, so energetic and equation. So everything we can use it here. So fluid pressure and flow and forces and motion. So like that I can select any number of things. I can download or use it now. So this is a simple or basic of motion. So here net force, and here motion, or here it is friction, or here acceleration. So I am taking this friction concept. I can take it here that you can see what are the components in the simulation tool and how friction is there, and here newtons and everything. So like that, here it is movable, and here that they are changing. So how that friction is going this way. After making this, the force, the friction force in this direction. So which direction I can use, and I will change this one, and I can take it back. Now I can change, or I can select here. So the values also we can display here, and I will change this one, and here, or I can use it here. So here the values and the masses, here 100 kg, and instead of 100 kg I am using 40 kg, and the speed also, it is speedometer is here, and sum of forces also will be displayed, and here applied force is, so I am using more force so that I can push it here. So this way we can calculate, and you can add more items or more values. So friction this way, or the newtons this way, or this way, the balancing. So the simulation can be customized according to the teacher explanation, and she or he can explain to the students for making them learning as an interesting one. So I hope you have get a little bit of knowledge about the interactive simulation and the collaborative e-content creation by using H5P and Padlet and PET. So teachers, explore these 3 websites and enhance your e-content creations and use it for your teaching learning activity. So I thank you once again for your active participation today, and we will see tomorrow with some other innovative tools. Thank you.